bisperas na ng wedding ng aking sister. And we are doing maid of honor duties for today. And then, hello! So, dito mag-ride ang mga relatives dito sa bus. Ayan, so nagrento talaga kami ng bus para sure na kasya lahat at ang lahat ay comfortable. Ayan. Meron pa tayong patarpuli na chance and may chance forever. And we are so happy that this day has finally come. Kasi maya-maya actually tayo ay pupunta na sa Manila. Dahil meron tayong pinaka meet and greet with the family members ni Kuya Chan sa tramway. So, super nakaka-excite and super nakaka-thrill na, oh my gosh, this day is finally coming. Hello! Hi! Hey, hi! Hello! Hello! Hello, Tita Grace. Hello! Hello po ulit! Hello po! Hello! Kaway-kaway mga lolos and titos! Hello! Ay, tito! Hello! Hi!
Bel, mag-Tagalog ko eh! Malapit ka dito sa Tagaytay!
Presko ang hangin.
Presko ang hangin.
Yeah! Sama-sama. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Okay. Yay! Okay. Sub-Saharan. Okay, sabihin po natin, my chance forever. 1, 2, 3, go! My chance forever! Yay! Hello po! Hello! Hello! Mga pasahero, hello! Hello po! Ay, pag ganun, babalik pa ako dito. Hello! Hello! Okay. Hey! Uy! Slow wave! Hello po! Sub-Saharan! Lalanti!
Hello!
Hello po!
Hi!
Hello po! Kaway-kaway po! Okay! Finally arrived here at Tramway for hashtag My Chance Forever Wedding. Yeah, so yan, nagbababaan na. Yay! Woo!
Buti na picturean ko yung ID ko. Dito naman din nila.
And may this mystery of your love and that shared together. Gathered here before you, your people who celebrate this love, this joy as one family, as your people. We humbly ask for your blessings and guidance upon us, that in this
To everyone, good morning po. And yun, by virtue vested in me as the eldest. Ano ba yan?
Hello everyone, magandang umaga pa rin po. No problem po, hindi lang po kami. Kaya yung aming significant other, si Bart. They're too tall. That's enough. In the pictures and in the video, habol tayo sa height.
Hello everyone, time check. It's already 2 p.m. in the afternoon. And kami ngayon ay papunta na kaming Shell Residences for check-in ng relatives, yung Team Batangas and Team Mindanao. So, ngayon, I'm not sure kung nakapag-take ako ng enough videos a while ago or photos since I was really living in the moment. Ayan, so I'll just try to squeeze in some photos maybe. And then, ngayon tayo ay papunta na sa Shell Residences dito sa Pasay City para mag-check-in ang Team Tagaytay and Team Batangas and also yung Team Mindanao. So, ngayon, nadagdagan tong Team Mindanao and siguro around malapit na namin napuno itong bus. Ayun, so it's really fun and it's really, we are really so excited for tomorrow. By the way, yung nangyari pala kanina is what we call rehearsal lunch. So basically, that is where the two families meet up and get to know each other. So parang ano siya, parang bonding moment siya. And so dun, yun yung pinaka-moment na formally may introduce yung mga family to each other. And we're so glad na we spend it in Tramway. Kasi super, solo namin yung pinaka-Acacia Hall nila. And also, lahat naman kami ay nagusto. Dito sa Shell Residence, what we're gonna do is, kasi kami, we're gonna be checking in sa Manila Hotel. Meanwhile, yung iba ay dito sa Shell Residences. So, dito sa Shell Residences, ang pinaka-binook talaga namin dito ay mga Airbnb. Since yun din yung ating bread and butter. So, ayun. Yun yung pinaka-binook namin dito. And we are just really so excited to experience it.